Everyone, in this video today, I will be giving you a beginner guide of how to use your calendar on the Mac, basically Mac laptop. So, to get started, set up calendar and start managing all your events in one app. And even if they are in different accounts like iCloud or Google, you can simply color code them, separate calendars for different areas for your life, then spot your work with the color code that you gave them. And yeah, you can either be with reminders of you have a meeting with your family or a business dinner, this and that, and you can also set the locations of the places where you want to be at that time. And you can also, with the help of the integration of reminder, you can also set it to remind you when on that date and put your event on the map as I've told you. So yeah, this is a quick guide of how to use Mac in your daily life, or how to use your calendar on Mac. So yeah, thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.